Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touareg R-Line 3 litre TDI 204 PS that we have on sale. Finished in the pure white. This car looks absolutely stunning. You've got the Bi-Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. Finished in pure white. You've got the lovely black and silver alloy wheels, which just finished the car off, especially with it being in white. You've got the tinted glass at the back. And you've got obviously the twin exhaust at the back. With the R-lines, you get electric tailgate, you get front and rear parking sensors, and as I say, it's in really good condition. You also get the keyless entry, push button start, sat nav, heated steering wheel, full panoramic sunroof, and this particular car has only done 5,760 miles. Absolutely stunning vehicle. Great car, and I say it's been well looked after. So for more details on this car, please make sure when you phone up you ask for Phil or Harry in our sales team, and hopefully we can put a finance package together that'll get this car in your drive pretty soon. Many thanks.